In my tutorial, in this stage we are doing kinematics, as the questions are from kmziaulh book. We're trying to solve the question number 6 right now, and its exercise is 16.2. If the question is given here, again velocity expression is given, v equals to some constants are there, p and q are the constants, and leaving fixed point to o, its velocity after t seconds after leaving a fixed point to o, and the expression is given, velocity expression given, the when t equals to the acceleration, when t equals to for displacement, one is acceleration, one is displacement. So to get the acceleration we have to differentiate, and to get the displacement from velocity we needed to integrate. So both part we have to apply here. To get the acceleration, actually we have to differentiate acceleration expression. Let me write acceleration stands for a. So if we differentiate this velocity expression, then we got from there 2pt plus q, and minus 12 is a constant, it becomes 0. At the point time t equals to 2, when t equals to 2, acceleration is given 18. Let me put this two value in our expression, then it becomes 18 equals to 2p into 2 plus q. So 4p plus q equals to 18. So that we can write as a first equation. Now for the second equation we can apply that expression, that information, t equals to 4 displacement when o equals to 32. We have to integrate, and displacement we can express as s. So let me integrate the expression which is written here, pt square plus qt minus 12 dt. So if we integrate, it becomes p t3 by 3 plus q t square by 2 minus 12t plus c. We need to write expression here. T seconds after leaving a fixed point o means when t equals to 0, its velocity was 0 as well. Not velocity, sorry, displacement was 0 as well. So if we put this value t0 as 0, then we can find out the expression of s equals to t0 is 0. Then you can say c becomes also 0, because all the parts, if we put 0, everything becomes 0, s is 0, so c equals to 0. So our displacement expression we can rewrite like p t cube by 3 plus q t square by 2 minus 12t. This is the displacement expression. And displacement when t equals to 4, 32 is given there. Let me put these two value here. We can write here 32 equals to p by 3, t value is 4, so 4 to the power 3 plus q by 2, 4 square minus 12 into 4. So let us simplify that expression. Extremely sorry. We can write here 64 p by 3 plus 8q minus 12 into 4 minus 32 equals to 0. So from there it is 64p by 3 plus 8q, 32 and 48, which is 80. So you can write here 80. So that is our expression. We can write this expression as a, say, second equation, 64. We can take it common from there also. This is, then it becomes, if we take 8 common from there, which is 8p by 3 plus q equals to 80. We can cut out 8 with the right side 10. So then it is 8p plus 3q equals to 30. This is our second equation. So now our target is to solve these two equations. That's it. Then we will get the value of p and q, because that two equation is simultaneous equation. We got one equation is this and another equation is 8p plus 3q equals to 2. In that stage, if we multiply 1 into 3, then the equation is 3 4 is 12p plus 3q equals to 18 into 3. You can write 18 into 3, and if we minus from the second equation, then we can write the expression like 8p minus 2p, which is minus 4p, and 3q can cancel out, and 30 minus 18 into 3, the value comes out 30 minus 18 into 3, 30 minus 18 into 3, yeah. So you can write the value is minus 24. Minus cancel out, so p comes here 4 6 the 24. So we got the value of p6. Let me put this value in any equation to get the value of q. Say from 1, you can write here q equals to 18 minus 4p, so which is 18 minus 4 into 6, so you can write 18 minus 24, and from there we got minus 6. So this is our value of q from here, minus 6 for q, and for p we got 6 as well. So this is the total working of this question. Thanks for watching. In this time we are moving to question number 7.